game. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best under-desk treadmills in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
It's a rich thing.
Number 10. Evo Spacewalk E1 Treadmill. The Evo Spacewalk is small and compact. It's lightweight at 37.5 pounds and features wheels, making it easy to transport the treadmill to another room for use or storage. With a max speed of 4 miles per hour, it's a suitable fit for people who plan on using their treadmill for walking rather than running. An LED display and remote control give you real-time exercise data about caloric burn, speed, distance, and time. The 5-layer running belt includes a shock absorption layer plus 2 rubber pads, which are designed to provide impact protection for your knees. Additionally, the unit is the most affordable option on our list, with a price tag of $179.99. Number 9. Evo Straw 3 Treadmill. Many under-desk treadmills require the use of a standing desk. That's not the case with the Evo Straw 3, which has a removable, buckle-on acrylic desk top that provides enough space for a laptop and books. The Straw 3 has a speed range of 0.6 to 8.6 miles per hour, mph. If you're a seasoned runner, you'll appreciate its maximum speed capacity when work is done. If you're new to under-desk treadmills, you can, and should, start slow. Start at a nice slow pace while you become adapted to walking and reading, typing, and talking at the same time, says Elizabeth Strout, PD, DPD, founder and CEO of both Core Wellness Leadership and Core Wellness and Physical Therapy. If working while walking feels strange at first, don't give up. Strout stresses that using an under-desk treadmill relies on the acquisition of neuromuscular connections. Number 8. Merrick Smart Walking Treadmill. The Merrick T5 is cheap compared to some of the entries on this list like the Lifespan model above, and it's perfect for those who want to get more bang for their buck by grabbing a device with a running mode attached. With the safety rail folded down, the device is in walking mode, in which you're able to walk up to a set speed of 3.7 miles per hour and use it with a standing desk to exercise while you work, chat in meetings, or just watching TV at home. On the other hand, when folded up, you're able to jog up to 7.5 miles per hour, controlling your speed and settings with either the remote control or the attached console. It won't interface with apps like Peloton on its own, but it does have an iPad holder if you want to follow along with classes. Number 7. JDX Smooth Lite. If you're new to at-home treadmills, or walking on a treadmill more generally, then the JDX Smooth Lite is a great option for beginners because it's incredibly easy to set up. Simply plug it in with a single cord, and you're ready to go once you press the remote. We recommend the JDX Smooth Lite as you're looking for an under-desk treadmill because it's relatively compact and easy to slide out of the way, like underneath a sofa. However, it's worth mentioning that it might be a little too long for alcove desk spaces. What's more, its compact design does mean there's a weight limit of 100 kilograms. Although it has a weight limit, the build quality on offer is good and the JDX Smooth Lite is robust, even if it's a bit boring to look at. In our JDX Smooth Lite review, we wrote that we returned to the treadmill regularly, even when the weather was good outside, a testament to the fun and smooth experience you get with this solid treadmill. Number 6. Walking Pad C2. The main selling point when it comes to Walking Pad's range of under-desk treadmills is the ability to, quite literally, fold the treadmill away when you're not using it. Yet compared to the Walking Pad A1 Pro, it's slightly smaller and slightly lighter. Unlike the Walking Pad P1, it has got a screen to show you all of your metrics on the move. The Walking Pad C2 is, by nature, pretty compact. Yet don't let the size of the box fool you. The treadmill is pretty heavy, and you'll probably need a hand when it comes to wiggling it out of its packaging and moving it to your home office once it's in C2. However, all you need to do is unfold it and plug it into the wall, and you're ready to walk. Compared to the Walking Pad A1 Pro, the Walking Pad C2 feels a little flimsier, hence the cheaper price. It's got a thinner plastic border between the edge of the belt and the edge of the treadmill, although the belt didn't feel too narrow when walking. Number 5. Walking Pad P1. The Walking Pad P1 is $200 cheaper than the Walking Pad A1 Pro, but is similar in design. The main difference between the two is that the Walking Pad P1 doesn't have a screen to show you your pace, distance, and time on the treadmill itself. The motor of the Walking Pad P1 is also a bit less powerful and a bit louder, but the price difference is enough to make it worth considering. Like the Walking Pad A1 Pro, the Walking Pad P1 can be folded in half and stowed under a couch when you're not using it. Like a lot of sizable electronics, the Walking Pad P1 comes with a fairly short power cord, 6 feet, so you'll want to find a spot for it that's close to an electrical outlet. There are 3 major differences between the Walking Pad P1 and the A1 Pro. First, the less expensive P1 doesn't come with a display. To make up for this, the remote is larger and comes with a small screen. Number 4. Walking Pad A1 Pro. Walking pad under desk treadmills have a nifty design that makes stowing the treadmills when you're not using them a breeze. They can be folded in half. This is a great feature if you're short on space in your home office, or if you're living with small children or pets and need to keep the treadmill out of sight when it's not being used. The Walking Pad A1 Pro is fast to set up, has an easy-to-use remote control, and a screen on the front of the treadmill that displays your distance walked, time, and speed. The treadmill also has 2 different modes, manual and automatic. When the treadmill is in manual mode, you can change the speed of the treadmill using the remote or the KS Fit app on your phone. In automatic mode, the belt speeds up or slows down depending on where you position yourself. Walk closer to the front, it speeds up. Walk closer to the back, it slows down. Number 3. Bluefin Fitness Task 2.0 Treadmill. If you're looking for an affordable walking treadmill to add to your home office, the Bluefin Fitness Task 2.0 treadmill might just tick the right boxes. It's affordable, super easy to install, and has a handy handlebar to make running on the treadmill feel a little safer than most under-desk treadmills. With a top speed of 5 miles per hour, you won't be able to train for a marathon on this treadmill, but you could do a light jog between meetings. During testing, we found the treadmill was pretty simple to use. There's an LCD screen at the top of the treadmill that shows you your pace, calories, distance walked, and time. Plus you can connect the treadmill to your phone via Bluetooth and the KinoMap app. Number 2. Gopless 1 HP Walking Treadmill. The Gopless 1 HP Walking Treadmill is great for anyone looking to push themselves a little harder when walking, as there are 12 built-in programs. These programs automatically change the speed of the treadmill as you walk over 30 minutes, pushing you to pick up the pace as you work. The Gopless 1 HP Walking Treadmill also comes ready assembled, and located at the front of the treadmill is an easy-to-read LED touchscreen that displays time, speed, distance, and calories burned when using the tread. This LED touchscreen also allows you to operate the treadmill if you don't have the remote control to hand. The downside here is that both the treadmill and the belt are pretty noisy, making this one unsuitable for use in a shared working environment. Number 1. Lifespan Under Desk Treadmill TR1200 DD3 Glow Up. If you have the budget for it, the Lifespan TR1200 DD3 Under Desk Treadmill is one of the best on the market, at double the price of most of the other treadmills on this list. It doesn't come cheap, and while it's a great piece of equipment, we'd argue you're better off spending your money on one of the best treadmills that give you some more versatility in your workouts. That said, as an under-desk treadmill, the Lifespan is fantastic. It has a higher weight limit of 350 pounds, a top speed of 4 miles per hour, and has wheels that allow you to move the treadmill when you're not using it. It also has a large console with big buttons that make changing the speed as you work easier. The console also acts as the treadmill screen, displaying all the stats you need, such as distance, steps taken, and calories burned.